If you hold a medical license in Texas, you are required to complete the HHSC-approved Human Trafficking training course and 2 medical ethics CME credits every 2 years. This video will show you how to take care of those requirements easily with Orbit Texas. Not only does Orbit Texas fulfill your human trafficking course requirement, which helps you work towards ending human trafficking and fulfill your medical ethics CME requirements, but also a portion of your registration fee will be donated to a nonprofit fighting against human trafficking. To get started with Orbit Texas, head to orbitcme.com/Texas and hit the Get Plugin button. You will want to select the Texas Micro Trial option, which gives you the human trafficking course and 2 medical ethics credits. You can also earn 2 opioid credits with the Texas Basic option that also gives you a total of 25 CME credits. Hit the Try 1 month for free button. You will need to create an Orbit account. Enter the email address you want associated with your account and choose a password and hit Sign Up. Next, you will enter your first and last name to be associated with your account and the country you practice in. Lastly, to set up your trial, you will need to enter your credit card information. Once you do that, it will bring you to a short tutorial which shows you how the Orbit plugin works and how to get the plugin. Orbit plugin records when you visit eligible peer-reviewed articles in your Chrome browser. Your visits are processed in 30-minute batches, and you'll redeem these visits for credit later by posting a visit survey. Hit Continue to get started downloading the plugin and redeeming credit. Hit Click to install, then Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. The Orbit plugin is now installed. You might be wondering, why can't I see the plugin on my browser? You'll need to hit the puzzle piece button and pin the Orbit plugin. Now the Orbit plugin is easily accessible at all times. Next, you will click on this article to see how earning credit with the plugin works. Once you have read the article for 20 seconds, the plugin recognizes that you can redeem credit and sends this article to your Earn page in your Orbit dashboard. Now you're ready to start earning your 2 medical ethics CME credits and complete your human trafficking course requirement. To take care of both of these requirements, you will need to read the 4 below articles listed in the section called Human Trafficking Recommended Articles. The first you should read is called the HHSC Human Trafficking Reader Guide, which gives an overview of the other articles, background information, and current updates to the information in the articles. Next, you will read the 3 articles listed. Go to the next article. You will see that the Orbit plugin has turned red. This means that you need to install an ad blocker, as you cannot earn CME credit if advertisements are displayed. Hit the Orbit plugin and click on Needs Ad Blocker. Install the ad blocker by hitting Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Now the ad blocker is installed and you can go back to your article. Read the article, and while you are doing so, the Orbit plugin is tracking your reading and sending this article to Mission Control for credit redemption. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for the article to be available for credit in your Orbit dashboard, so use this time to read the other articles. Head back to the Orbit dashboard and go to the next article and read it. Orbit is tracking this reading also and sending this article to Mission Control for redemption. Once you are done with this article, go back to your Orbit dashboard and go to the final article. Read this article, and once you are done reading, in about 5 to 10 minutes, all of the articles should be available on your Earn page, which you can get to by clicking on My Feed. Now you will redeem the articles for credit by submitting surveys. Hit the red Redeem button. Orbit fills out the first 4 questions for you with sensible answers. You may change these answers if you wish. The most important part of this survey is tagging it correctly. For these articles, you need to tag all of them with the human trafficking tag. This tag will allow you to get credit for both the human trafficking course and the 2 medical ethics requirements. Hit Post and you are finished redeeming the first article for credit. You will notice now on your dashboard it says Activate your subscription to redeem more credit. This is because when you first signed up, it put you on the trial and does not automatically start your subscription. To be able to redeem all of your human trafficking and medical ethics credits, you will need to activate your subscription. Hit the 3 lines in the top right and hit Subscription. Scroll down and hit Start Subscription. Now you can go back and finish redeeming your 3 other articles for credit. The survey is the same for each. Make sure you tag each article with the human trafficking tag before you hit Post. If you forget to tag the credit with human trafficking or select the wrong tag, you can go back and edit by hitting the Edit with the pencil button and scrolling down and choosing the correct tag and hitting Save. Now you have completed and redeemed your medical ethics CME credits and finished your human trafficking course. Next, you will generate a certificate to show you have completed these requirements. To generate your certificate, hit the Submit tab. You will see here it shows that you have earned 2 CME credits for human trafficking. Scroll down and hit Specialty for your certificate and select Human Trafficking, then hit Generate. Hit View, which will then bring up your certificate in a new tab, which you can download and print or send wherever you need to. The certificate shows that you have earned 2 Category 1 credits in human trafficking and medical ethics. If you have any questions about using Orbit Texas to complete your human trafficking course requirement or your 2 CME credits in medical ethics, please email us at support@orbitcme.com. We're always happy to help.